परवरीच्या गॅस सिलिंडर आणि कमी गॅस मेळपाची धक्कादायक घडणूक मुखार आयले उपरांत बुधवारा वजन माप खात्यान वेर्णेच्या गॅस एजन्सी गोदामाचेर धाड घाली। हे धाडीत 50 परस चड बेवार स्थितीत उडयल्ले सिलिंडर जप्त केल्यात। तशेंच आनी 2 गाडयांतल्यान सिलिंडराची तपासणी सुरू आसा। गोंयांत सिलिंडरांतल्या गॅस चोरपी टोळी कार्यरत आसा आनी लोकांनी गॅस सिलिंडर विकत घेतना वजन करून घेवचें अशें आवाहन वजन माप खात्याचे अधिकारी नितीन भूषण हांणी परत एक फावट केलां।
शराई पंपाच्या ऑपोजिट आम्ही एक बोलेरो हाडिल्ली, तांच्यान एक बोलेरो भितर येयल्ली हांगा। सो ताका फॉलो करीत करीत आमी हांगा पावले। गाडयेचो ड्रायव्हर पंक्चर काडटा आमी आमकां वॉट यू कॅन से आमकां हे करून तो झाडांनी धांवलो खंय। इट इज अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन रायट नाव। वी हॅव सीज द व्हेकल, वी विल बी चेकिंग द वेट ऑफ द सिलिंडर. Only after checking the weight of the cylinder, we will be able to let you know. If you see the surrounding, you might have seen the cylinders falling in such a shabby condition, and all are filled, half filled, full filled, quarterly filled. We have informed the company, we have informed our head office, and we are carrying out the investigation. Now we'll be checking the weight of the cylinder, and after that we request every household people to take the delivery of the cylinder only after payment of the cylinder in front of you. All the gas agencies should carry a weighing scale as per rule 18(8), and all the company are provided them with the weighing scale. First, before checking the weighment of the cylinder, you check the weight, the weighing scale is verified or not. Ask them to show us the verification certificate issued by the Department of Legal Metrology. Then you take the weighment of the cylinder. Tare weight is always at the tare weight is always mentioned in the yellow part, plus 14.2 for domestic and 19 kilo for commercial. 14.2 plus tare weight should be the weight we should be shown on the weighing scale.